Hi, Nutrition 230. Happy Monday. So as you can see, looking at this week, it's pretty straightforward. You're just continuing to read and take some post-lecture assignments for Chapter 4, and then start on with pre-lecture assignment for Chapter 5, as well as the video. Make sure you're taking a look in the Wiley Plus extra resources, especially in chapters 4, 5, and 6, which are, a little bit more complicated, kind of tying together a lot of your knowledge from organic chem as well as your anatomy and physiology and cell functions as we really go through digestion, absorption, and metabolism of carbs and protein and fat. Also, stay tuned a little later this week. I'm going to do a little segment on either Thursday or Friday introducing your case study and service learning assignment number 1. So just stay tuned in your email and on Moodle for a little bit of extra information about that. And in the meantime, just start plugging away on chapters 4 and 5. And thank you so much for your awesome PSAs. I really enjoyed watching them, and we'll be posting a few sample exemplary PSAs in the near future for everybody to look at for future projects. Have a great day.